Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. So I hope you are enjoying this playlist. So now here, after running these videos, we make the better and better our the CMS application. Okay, so here we finish the post section, and now we are proceed to this next one. So next one is that the comments, user comments. So before going to design the any part, so first we design a one database table. So going to this PHP MyAdmin. So here there are two tables, post and the categories. Now here we create a new table. So this is the CMS database. So here we type the table name is the comments, and the number of columns. So I think there are total 7 columns. Okay, so here we set the one by one. So click here the go. So the first column is the by default the comment ID. So this is the primary key. Okay, so here we set this is the comment ID. This is the integer. So length here we set the 3. Click on this AI auto incremented, and this is the primary key. Okay, then here we set the post ID. Okay, so which post you want to write the comments. So this post ID is inserted by using this column. Okay, so this is like the foreign key. Okay, so this is the int, then length is that the 3, then comment author. So this is the varchar 255, then comment email, same here varchar 255, then comment content varchar 255, comment status varchar again 255, and here comment date, this is the date. So I think content was very big, so here we set the type is that the text. Okay, so don't worry about that, you can also set the varchar, and here we set the very large length, but user can comment the very big line also. So that's why here we set the type is that the text. So click on this save button. So here we create the comment table. Okay, now so first we insert some demo values, and first we display this table in your dashboard. So going to this insert. So see here, for example, so this is comment ID is auto incremented. So we said the post ID is the 10. So here author is for example Nilesh, then email ID for example nilesh@gmail.com. So here the content for example, hello, this is very nice tutorial. Okay, then status. So here we set the status approve, and here we select the date for example 15. Okay, and here we click this go. So here we insert the first record. So see here comments. Okay, so this is the first record. So first we display this table record on your dashboard. So going to this bracket editor. Okay, this one. Okay, fine. Now we have created a comment table and they insert some data in here. So what we need to do is actually display that data in the admin. So here, So this is your the dashboard. So if you click on this comment button or the comment link, then all these comment data are displayed in this section. Okay, so like see here, if you click on this post or view all post, so this is your the post table like this way. Okay, so now we copy paste some files to here in comment section. So going to this bracket editor, so going to this admin, so this is your the post.php file in this admin section. So we save as this file as a comments.php. So file, save as, so this is your the location admin, so your file name here comments.php. click on this save button. So here comments.php is created. So here we go to this switch case. Here we change the default case includes view all comments. Okay, then we create this new file. So copy this file. So right click on this in this include folder, new file. So this is your the file name view all comments. And here again we copy all these view all post code, Control C, copy into this view all comments. So Control S, save. So here we save all these data here, view all comments. So here we check it again, going to this post.php file. Okay, so this one is, so if you click on this categories.php file, so here we run this categories.php, sorry, we run this the comments.php file, this one. Okay, so see here, this is the post.php table data. Now here we need to change this query, and here we grab all these comments data and display in this table. So do that, going to again this editor. Okay, so this is your the view all comments.php file. So here we change these the column names as well as the query. So here first we change the columns. So here we open this the PHP MyAdmin table columns comments. So these are the columns here. Okay, now so here we write the one by one. So this is your the ID, then second one is your the, so here we skip the some columns, so that's why here we use the another one author. Then here the next one is that the comment content. Okay, then the email ID, then here the status, then here we add some extra columns in response to. Okay, so here we display this the comment post ID. Instead of ID we display here the post name. Okay, so in next upcoming videos here we replace the post name. Then this is the date. Then here there are the status, approve, unapprove, and delete. This is your the action delete. So approve, unapprove, these are the two status related part. So by using this link we approve your the status or the unapprove your the status or your the delete your the comment. Okay, so in this comment section we're not using the update part because comments are entered by using the users. So admin have the access to approve or the unapprove or the delete this comment. There is no need to update that comment because they are totally entered by the user. Okay, so here we use the only one action, that is the delete. Okay, Now here we maximize this editor or some increase this size. Okay, so here if we change the query, select star from comments, then here we execute this query, and then here we display the data by using the column wise. So this is the comment ID. Okay, so here we copy this code, and this is the second comment post ID. We get all this data here, then the comment author, then the comment email, then the content status, then the date. Remove these two fields. So change this the variable name. This is again the comment ID. So here we first change this post to comment. So here we replace the code here. Then we change the name, comment ID. So this is the comment post ID. This is the author. This is the email. Then content. Then status. And here we change the date. Now we display the data by using this table header section. Okay, so here this is the first comment ID, then the comment author. Okay, so first we replace this post to comment. So ID, then author, then content, then here email, then status. Okay, and here we remove this image, and here we pass some static text, that is the some text, because this section we do later. So this column was this the in response to. So here we replace the post ID to post name. Okay, so we do this section later. So first here we add some static text, then here this is the comment date. So remove this echo, this one comment date. Okay, now there are total the 3 links: approve, unapprove, and the delete. So this is the delete, ahref post.php. so here we keep it as it is, we change this later. Okay, so delete. So here we copy paste this 2 times here, and here we change the text. So first one here we change the approve, then the unapprove. Okay, we change this link on later. So save these changes. So here we save all these files and then we test again. So do the one by one. So this is the first file, view all comments, Control S, save here. Again we do some changes in this the comments.php file. So Control S. Okay, now so see here again, first we run this the post.php file. So this is the post.php file. Then here we run this comments.php here, then see. Okay, so there are the total 4 errors. So first we fix that error, then see here. So see here in this bottom side, here we display all this data already. So first we fix all this error. So this is the undefined index, date, id. Okay, so going to line number 28, 37. So again going to this view all post here. So 28, okay, like this way. So after that image, post, comments, we remove all this data. Sorry, you are in wrong file. The changes in this view all comments. Okay, so see here in this section. So here we use the column names. So again see here this is the post ID. So we remove this, the post ID. Okay, we write here the ID name later, then here. Okay, fine. Again going to this section. Okay, save these changes. Again comments.php, see here, post date line number 28. So again going to this view all comments, line number 28 here. So this is the comment status, comment date here. This is the post date, comment date. Save these changes. Again going to this comments.php file. Okay, now perfect. So here we display all this data. See here, this is the ID, author, this is the comment, email ID, status, approve. So this is the in response to. Here we do the code on letter. This is the date, and these are the three links: approve, unapprove, delete. Okay. So next code we do in the next video. So in next video we will see that the insert and the delete operations. So till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.